First, guys, open any browsers to Google search box to type like that the model number of your laptop, and just first link which is officially ASUS website, and this is your laptop. After that, click on support, then click on driver and tool. By default select Windows 11. Scroll down and you can see this is a Bluetooth driver, and click to download, and it will start downloading in the download box. Just click on it, and then click on yes for the administrator access. After that, click on OK, next, I agree the agreement, and then next, next, and installed. So it is completed. Then you install any driver, but system will require the restart after installation driver. And